Pinipili kong maghintay sa'yo kahit hindi sigurado na may inilaan para sa ating mundo. Naiintindihan ko namang hindi tayo pwede, ang hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit pa ba kita hinihintay. I know people might say, sayang yung oras na bakit maghihintay kung hindi naman kayo pwede. Pero for me, it's not wasted time. Kasi habang inihintay ko siya, I'm also fixing myself, healing from the pain and growing into someone better. At kung sakali na hindi man siya ibalik sa akin ng tatana, at let's masasabi kung hindi ako tumigil magmahal, at least alam ko na while I was waiting, I became a stronger and better version of myself. At kahit may chance na o wala, andito pa rin ako, still holding on, still hoping as long as you don't push me away completely, we'll keep chasing. Kasi ikaw pa rin ang gusto ko, ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko. Kahit sabihin ng iba na ang tanga ko na walang patutunguhan to, I don't care because at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin ang gusto kong hintayin. I'm still here, willing to stay, kahit as friend. Kahit ano pa ang gusto mong itawag sa akin, basta mahal